Welcome to this video tutorial. From previous tutorial, we've learned how to create BOM bill of materials. In today's lesson, we will see how to generate balloons within the drawing environment. For this specific product, I have to have a section view due to the hidden component in the middle of the product. But I'm not gonna go through the section view right now because I have already explained it in a different tutorial. So I'm just gonna put a link at the description below. Here we are. So I just took the back view of the product and I created a section view based on this drawing view here. So now we are ready to begin learning the balloon command. The first step is to go to Insert, Annotations, drop-down menu and select the balloon. Another way to do it is to go to the annotation toolbar and select the balloon from here. Once you select the balloon command, a balloon will appear next to your cursor. All you have to do now is to start selecting the components that you want to annotate. So as you can see, when I pick a face, the balloon has a dot at the end, right here. On the other hand, when I pick an edge or a line, the balloon has an arrow at the end. As soon as you finish the balloon process, select OK. Now you have the opportunity to adjust the balloon's position and reposition them as you wish. As you're picking the balloon's manager properties is appearing at your left hand side. Here you can change the shape of the balloons from here, from circular to triangle maybe, hexagon, box maybe, or diamond. You can also change the size as well as the quantity of that specific component within this product. So let's have a look. Quantity. And as you can see, the 1 times this item came up. This symbolizes the quantity of that specific component repeated in this product. So times 1. You can change the position based on your preferences. As soon as you are happy with the results, select OK. However, there is an alternative way to go with, which is more easier and time saving. Initially, delete all of these balloons here. Press delete on the keyboard. So the first step is to select the view or the views where you wish to have the annotation balloons. So let's select this view here and this view here. Control key on the keyboard, select this view here. Now the balloon procedure has been activated and I'm ready to locate my balloons one more time. Go to Insert, Annotations, drop-down menu and select the Auto Balloon. Or you can go to the Annotation toolbar and select it from here. As you can see, SolidWorks has been generated these balloons for you. At the Auto Balloon Property Manager, at the Balloon Layout, you can modify the balloon's appearance in the Drawing View datasheet format based on your preferences. With this way, the balloons look nicely and organized. Now be aware, before you click OK here, you have the opportunity to move the balloons as a group, so you can move all of them at once. Otherwise, by clicking OK here, you can only move the balloons one by one and not as a group anymore. So as soon as you are happy with the results, select OK. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.